Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rimsha and today we are back with another styling tips and tricks video. But this time around, these are some fashion tips and tricks that you can use to elevate your look, to transform your look and add that missing oomph in your outfit. In my previous fashion tips and tricks video, I mentioned having this feeling that something is missing from your outfit. So perhaps these super efficient and chic fashion tricks might be the missing piece. I am so excited. Let's begin. Throw a white shirt over or under a dress. So I'm wearing a white button-up shirt underneath the dress, and I try to experiment with the shirt by unbuttoning the top buttons and folding the fabric towards the arms. I really like the look, so I went with it, and as you can see, it created this nice clean V-neck. On to wearing a shirt on top of a dress. So I tried this fashion trick in two different ways. One of them I liked and one of them I didn't like. So keep watching to see which one I liked and which one I didn't like and the reason behind it. First look was not my favorite. It created this muffin top that I just didn't like. But if you want a more fitted look, fold the shirt at the front and create a knot at the back. Let me know in the comments which look do you prefer. Do you see a big difference? I have a video up on my channel which shows both of these techniques, these methods in more detail, so I will link it in the cards and leave the link in the description box as well. Wrap a belt around a denim jacket. I am in love with this look. It's such a simple way to elevate your denim and it's a perfect look for the upcoming season, fall, autumn. Tie a scarf into your tresses. If you have watched my video on how to style a maxi dress during the colder seasons, you will remember this look. But if you haven't, please check it out because who says maxi dresses are only meant to be worn during summer? Video on my channel where I use a hair scarf as more than just a hair accessory. So if you want to get creative with your hair scarves, check out that video. I will leave the link in the description box as well as link it in the cards. Transform your tunic into a shirt. I don't own a tunic, so I decided to try this tip with a wrap dress and this is how it turned out. It might look complicated, but it was very simple, guys. I just tucked in one side of the dress, which resulted in the other side creating these pleats. It was a pleasant surprise. Mix up shades of denim. Thank you so much for watching. All of these fashion tips and tricks are taken from an article posted on Vogue France website. And the article headline was Personal Stylist 17 Simple Style Tips to Try Right Away, unless otherwise specified. I will leave the article in the description box, so be sure to check it out for more fashion tips and tricks. With that, I will see you guys in my next video.